Hey guys, this is Mel and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna do my second unboxing video. And the item that I'm gonna be unboxing is my newest iPhone 12 Pro Max. Hey guys, so I called PowerMac a week ago to check if they have available iPhone 12 Pro Max because that's where I bought my iPhone 11 last year. But sad to say, they already ran out of stocks. I also called iStore, but unfortunately it's already sold out. But thank God I found the store online. It's Mobileware Cebu, and that's where I got this item. You may search them on Facebook. Once again, it's Mobileware Cebu. The name is on the screen, and I posted the link in the description box below. As of the moment guys, they don't have a physical store, but if you're residing within Cebu City, they can deliver the item right at your doorstep, and that's free of charge. However, if you're located outside Cebu, you may contact them at your most convenience to check your options. So I guarantee you guys, they're selling 100% original items. I've checked it myself, and I've been using Apple products for the longest time, so I can tell if it's 100% legit. You can actually check the item thoroughly, and that's the time you pay them either cash or bank transfer. The guy who assisted me was very accommodating, and he answered all my questions. He even left the phone with me for one night to check the authenticity. I'd like to give a shout out to Paul for trusting the item with me, because not all sellers do that. Alright, so without further ado, let's move to the most exciting part of this video. Let's see what comes inside this box. So if you can see, it's no longer sealed because I had to open it and check it upon purchase. So I like the new packaging. It's all black. So this is the front view, and this is the iPhone name, and of course the iPhone logo, or the Apple logo rather. And at the back you'll see the device information. In this part you'll see the QR code, and in this portion, the lower part, you'll see the device serial number and the IMEI number, but I'm covering it for security purposes. So this is the newest look of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. My first choice was actually the gold one, but unfortunately they don't have available on hand, so I chose graphite instead because it would be easier for me to find a better phone case that will suit the color of the camera. So here I'm gonna remove this one. So I'm gonna turn this on now. Alright, so while waiting, let's see what comes inside this box. So it is designed by Apple in California. This one is the SIM ejector tool and the booklet, and of course the iPhone or the Apple sticker. That's it. And finally, the USB-C lightning cable. So it does not have the USB-C port yet and earphones included, but in my case I already have the USB-C port since I've been using the Mac laptop. So this is what it looks like for the USB-C port. If you don't have this one, you can still use the old charger that you have if you have the one for iPhone 11 or the older version. You can still use that for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So here is the item. So I've noticed that on this side, prone siya, or makikita mo yung mga fingerprints. And medyo mabigat siya compared to earlier versions sa iPhone. So you have to purchase yung sobrang kapal or safe na case para di siya mabasag if in case na malalaglag. And of course the tempered glass to protect your screen. So I haven't changed the lock screen yet, as well as the wallpaper. So I'm gonna unlock this now. So the reason I purchased these iPhone 12 Pro Max because of its Pro camera system. It has 12 megapixel ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto cameras. So I believe it's 5 times optical zoom range, night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR3, Apple Pro RAW 5, and 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. So I took a video using the 0.5 wide angle, and it's the 4K HDR recording. It's unedited, so here it goes. So that's about it for my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing video. I am not really a pro when it comes to this product, guys, but if you want to know more about this item, as for the specifications and technicalities, you may want to visit the Apple website. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Goodbye!